In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit captions in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your video and how to style its captions so they're clear, on-brand, and easy to read. First, head to the HeyGen homepage and land on your main dashboard. This is your starting point for managing projects and making quick edits. On the left-hand side, look for the Avatar section. Give that a click. This area organizes your avatar-driven videos and is a convenient place to jump into recent work without digging through folders. Next, move into the Recents view. This shows your most recently generated or edited videos in one place, which is perfect when you're returning to polished captions after an initial render. If you have a lot of projects, take a second to visually scan for the correct thumbnail and title so you're opening the right one. Select the video you want to update by clicking directly on it. The editor will open, and you'll see a preview so you can follow along as you make changes. Let the preview load fully. A quick pause here helps ensure everything you adjust appears accurately in real time. Now, open the Captions panel. This is where all subtitle-related settings live. You'll use this panel to control how your captions look and feel across the entire video. Think of it as your control center for readability and style. From here, choose Styles. You'll see preset options designed to balance visibility and aesthetics. Pick a style that fits your content and brand, then fine-tune it to get things just right. Consider contrast first. Light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background tends to be the most legible. If there's a background box option, use a subtle semi-opaque box to keep text readable over busy footage. Adjust font weight and size so captions are large enough to read on mobile but not so large that they distract from the visuals. Keep captions near the lower third, but lift them slightly if lower graphics or on-screen text would clash. Align left for dialogue-heavy content or center for short statements and headlines. As you tweak, watch the preview and let a few lines play to confirm line breaks and pacing feel natural. Once you're happy with the look, play a short segment from the beginning, middle, and end to confirm consistency. That's it. You went to HeyGen, opened Avatar, navigated to Recents, selected your video, opened the Captions panel, and chose a style that elevates your message. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more professional captions in your next HeyGen video.